Saiga antelope. Small but tough animals that lived alongside woolly mammoths. A male's enormous nose both filters out the dust and warms up the cold air before it reaches his lungs. But at this time of year, it also serves a very different purpose. It impresses the females. And the bigger it is, the better. This old male knows what it takes to hold their attention. But they make him work for it. And if that isn't effective, he has other ways of impressing them. A bush. Very majestic. But when you are king of the steppe, there's always someone waiting to claim your crown. This young buck fancies his chances. He aims to steal the king's harem. The challenger charges, ready to do battle. This could be a fight to the death. 70% of rutting males will die. The older male eventually begins to gain the upper hand. And with one final effort, he drives the young rival away. The king has kept his crown and his harem. Only the strongest Saigas can endure and succeed in one of the harshest places on Earth.